To make puffed rice, rinse 1 cup, 200 grams of rice in a bowl of cold water. Swirl the rice around with your hand and drain it with a fine mesh strainer. Repeat this process until the water runs clear. Bring 1 3/4 cups, 410 milliliters of water to a boil over high heat. Add a pinch of sea salt and the rice, then cover the pot and reduce the heat to low. Simmer the rice for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it's tender. Spread the rice out in an even layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Cook the rice in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 121 degrees Celsius for 2 hours or until it's completely dry. Pour a cooking oil, such as sunflower, vegetable, or canola oil, into a pot or skillet to a depth of about 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until a deep fry thermometer dipped in the oil reads 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 191 degrees Celsius. Test the oil by adding a few grains of rice. They should puff up instantly. Pour the rest of the dry rice into a fine mesh strainer and lower it into the hot oil. Fry the rice for 5 to 10 seconds, then remove it and spread it out on a baking sheet lined with paper towels. Let the puffed rice cool for at least 5 minutes before eating it, storing it, or incorporating it into a recipe.